Well, hello. So today's read is about that if you're in a relationship with and you're hoping for marrying that person, has that person talked about you in their family as yet or not? This is a read just for the mid of the March. So by the end of the March, I will be doing again. If the read doesn't come positive for you, then do check the next read, which will be coming in end of the March. Right? So there are three piles: lotus, lily, and sunflower. Choose the flowers accordingly, whatever flower appeals you the most. This is a lotus, this is beautiful lily, and this is super gracious sunflower. Right? So we will be starting with the lotus pile. So here is the lotus pile. We are going to start with the lotus pile. So let's see what your card says. Has this person talked about you in their family? Nine of Wands, King of Coins, and Eight of Cups. Okay, and let's see other cards: Knight of Cups, Six of Swords, and the Empress. Okay, Nine of Wands. I feel that this person has been given a hint about you in their family, right? Not completely this person has talked about you, but yes, this person has given a sort of hint about you in their family, that you about you the family members knows about a bit of you, that their family member is having sort of an affair with this person. But it means like this person means you, with the name of this, like, right? So he or she has provided a hint of you in their family, but not completely described you. As your person has said to them that you might be their uh, future love partner, future spouse, but not confirmed. He or she has not said this in a very confirmed way. So they are having some kind of a doubts about it, whether you are confirmed about, whether your person is confirmed about you or not. So they are in a complete form of doubts. They haven't reached to the, like, uh, particular judgment that it's only you, that this person wants to marry you, or this person, because this person is having some kind of a instability, as per like instability, like I hope so, like this person must be in some kind of a previous relationships, and which must not have survived so long. So everyone is thinking that you must be a time pass, or you will also be like that. So they are not taking you as very in a serious mode. But this person is quite not this person hasn't confirmed to their family as yet, because I suppose this person is working somewhere out of the town, where his or her family is not settled or something. This person wants to come back to their town. This person is working hard so that this person can stay along with the family, or long distance from you. This relationship must be long distance, and wants to be with you. So this person is making efforts towards settlement with you, job wise also, so that he or she should not stay far off after the marriage. So this person hasn't so this could be the reason that this person hasn't exposed about you in their family as yet. Yes, this person is quite wishful to marry you, that is for sure. But and this person's past must be quite heavy, and must have what you say must be of full this person must be a very responsible person, and must have fulfilled lot many responsibilities in his or her life, and has lot of emotions for you. So this person wants to be with you. If this person is like working not working in your city, not in your town, so this person wants to settle first financially in your with you, along here with you. Then only this person is going to expose in their family. So let's see what oracle has to your read is gratitude. This person is like, has a lot of what you say that love for his or her family. This person has lot of gratitude for his or her own family. So this person will not marry until unless this person like gets full confirmation from his or her family. This person is quite family's person, family type person, quite emotional, and won't go without them anywhere. This person takes mostly decision based on his or her own family. So this person is quite emotional, full person, and I suppose, uh, according to family, though must be having a notorious past about many relationship must have gone, might he or she has dumped those people because those people, according to this, your person must not have been fulfilling according to according to his or her own family needs, whatever is required to settle a family. So this person is like a family person and won't marry you until unless his or her family agrees to it. So that's a good thing, because this makes a kind of a surety that this person will never leave you for anything, because he or she knows the value of family, right? So this was your read, and if you liked it, then do hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So let's go ahead with this lily flower. Let's see what your card says. Has this person talked about you in their family as yet? About you? Okay, this is the reverse card. Sorry, I don't take reverse cards, so I'll just change the card. Eight of coins, eight of pentacles, four of pentacles, and the tower. Let's see the other cards. Four of swords, three of pentacles, and ace of swords. So the read is like, has this person talked about you in their family? Four of pentacles, three of pentacles, four of swords. So there are two fours. This person is quite uh, like scared of talking about you in their family. This person this person is not that confident about you talking about you in their family. Why? Because your position to according to their family must be low, or their position must be low financially according to your family. And this person knows that if this person is going to talk about your family or talk about you in their family, so it will be a big no from them. So this person with full of doubts and everything, and has not talked about you in their family as yet, though their wish is to be with you, to become your life partner. That is not untrue. This is all true that this person wants to be with you, but this person hasn't talked about you as yet. Or I can sense that this person has talked about you to some kind of a person who is of almost same age or a very less age difference, and that particular person whom he has talked to has not given a good response about you. So this person is quite scared now. This person is quite scared that if must have talked about you to his or her cousin or a friend to their family or something like that, and that person hasn't given a good response. But I can see that there is some kind of a jealousy that what whosoever he or she has talked to about you, that person is quite jealous of your person. So that's why that person hasn't given a good response. I feel that your person belongs to quite a orthodox type family, right? Orthodox type families, though, who follow some kind of a rituals or something, and they want their and they want your person to settle in their kind of a community only, or get married to that kind of a person who belongs to their own kind of a society or community, or particular ritual type family, right? So this person is quite your person must be a like a writer, right? And very creative. Yeah, this person is like, your person is like, is very wishful of settling down with you, but somewhere, somewhere your person has made up their mind after talking to that particular person, that if this thing won't continue, if this won't convert into, if this thing, if their family won't agree to you, then your person will leave this relationship. Yes, will quit the relationship. So just for your benefit, just for your benefit. I don't, I'm not having good vibes about their family thing, right? Their background. As well as I can sense something else also. So just be very confirmed. If you really wish to marry with this person only, then get the all, then I'll get all the details about this family. If you are ready to get settled in this family, then the question will be totally different. Because this person will not be allowed to marry elsewhere other than their own community or in their own circle, to be honestly speaking. And you you must be totally of other community or other circle, right? That is a thing. My god, very very orthodox feelings and energies I'm picking up from this read. Let's see what the oracle adds to this. Growth. So this person needs to grow a lot mentally, so that this person can talk about you in his or her family or whatever. But really need to grow the magnitude of their thinking, right? So your answer is this, like at the end of the thing, read this thing, I would say that this person hasn't talked about you in their family as yet, but though they are wishful to settle down with you, but if their family won't agree to you, then this person might leave you and move ahead with his or her own family needs, right? So this is the read for you. I'm sorry, but do check up my March last end of the March. I'll be putting up this read again. I hope that goes good with you, right? So this was your read. If you liked it, then do hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So here is the last flower, sunflower, last part of this read. So let's see, has your person talked about you in their family? Three of Cups, Eight of Wands, and King of Cups. Hmm. Let's see the other cards also before jumping to the conclusion. Is a sun. I'm done with this thing, right? This is a sunflower read. Three of Cups, Eight of Wands, and King of Cups. Three of Wands, Six of Wands, and Ace of Wands. So in this read, I can see that you people must have met in some kind of a celebration or some kind of a party where your families must have met each other, and from there onwards, you people must have got a spark of love for each other. So your families must be knowing each other very well, right? So this person must have talked about you, or his family already, his or her family knows about you and wish. And if like the answer is yes, that this person has talked about you or has given a hint about you in their family, and their family is quite ready to accept you as their member and wish you to be marrying their person, family member. So the answer is yes, and the result will be also yes, and this thing will be happening when the Mercury will be in Sagittarius, right? So this is going to be happening, and till then, I will say ki like just keep your finger crossed, because somewhere somehow I can see there is third party interference. I can see that some other alliance is also coming for your person, right? So there, so your person's family might go for that alliance, because that alliance is quite uh, good, rich. That family is quite rich. That family is quite known people of the society. So your family might turn their views. Your family, no, that your person's family might turn their views from you to that person. So just keep your fingers crossed, because this thing is going to happen if everything goes well. Just keep your person in your confidence that this person should not leave you, no matter what alliance is coming towards his or her family, for him or her, right? Else everything seems to be good and in place. When Mercury will reach in Sagittarius, it'll happen. This thing is going to happen, right? So uh let's see the oracle read. Grief. So that's the thing. I suppose the grief card represents that if that third party, what I'm talking about, see, I never knew that this is going to be the oracle. I don't read cards before. I just pick them, I just settle them before the read. So I never knew that this grief card was there. So if that third party will come into the picture, right, for your person, then they will be changing their mind for you. So just get the things confirmed on the ASAP basis, so that your person should not run away, or no, you're not your person, that their family must not run away. So push your person for full and final settlement on the soonest basis, because this other alliance is coming up around April, March end or April. Yes, around 17 or 18 April. So just be confirmed about it. Like, get a confirmation from your person that this person is going to marry you anyhow, or get settlement, get yourself legally settled, right? That will be great for you, right? So this was your read. I've already told you what is going to happen. So be very careful and don't be patient here. You got to move very fast, because wands cards are there. So these are the very fastest cards, right? So move fast. All the wands, one, two, three, four. There are four cards of basis on wands, right? And there are two cards just for the cups. So emotions are there, and full uh, otherwise the spread is of wands. So just rush for this relation. If you want to settle with your person, if you want to marry with your person, make the things happen on the ASAP basis, right? Otherwise you will be in the grief. Okay, so I've told you earlier what to be happening according to your stars. So all the best for the future, and if you like it, then do hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.